half kilogram mutton, 250-gram okra bhindi, 1 black cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, 5 to 6 black pepper, 2 sticks cinnamon stick, pinch cumin seed, 3 medium onion, 2 medium tomatoes, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 3 teaspoons chili powder, pinch turmeric. Add all according to you. Now add onion. Cook onion till half brown. Now at this point add all whole gram masala, cebu garam masala, add ginger garlic paste. Now add meat and water according to your meat requirements. Add tomatoes and spices. Now give cooker lid and cook 15 to 20 min. Now reduce remaining water and cook till all separate. Now add okra bhindi. Now cook until okra is cooked. You can serve with chapati and rice and dadi ma ka char. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment below for next recipe.